I was spending over $100 a month on Claude Code Max. Now I spend $5. Same coding power but 95% cheaper. Let me show you how. Claude Code is incredible, but API cost add up very fast. Opus 4.6 is $5 per million input tokens, $25 per million output. And if you are on Claude Code Max, that's $100 to $200 a month. But there is an open source alternative called OpenCode, over 135,000 stars on GitHub, backed by a massive community. And when you pair it with MiniMax M2.7, a model that delivers 90% of Opus quality in real-world coding tests, you get the same agentic coding experience for a fraction of the price. Let me set it up. First, install the OpenCode by running this command. So this is just one command and it's done. Now we need an OpenRouter API key. This lets us access MiniMax M2.7 at the same price as going direct with no minimum top up required. Because MiniMax actually requires you to add top up of minimum $25. But in OpenRouter, you can just even add $1 as a top up and it will still work. So go to the OpenRouter.ai, create your account and go to the settings, click on the API key and create a new API key. Give it any name that you prefer, OpenCode test. And in the expiration, I will just add 1 day because I want to use this API key only for this video. The API is created. Now just click on this button to copy your API key. Now back in your terminal, let's configure the OpenCode to use MiniMax through OpenRouter. Run the command OpenCode auth login. From this provider list, select OpenRouter, paste the API key and that's it. Now let's start the OpenCode within this folder. OpenCode. By the way, in this folder, you see currently it is empty. We will work in this empty folder. Now you need to type /models. So you need to search for the MiniMax M2.7. Select the first option. So this is the same model as in their official platform, but still same price, $0.30 input, $1.20 output per million tokens. We are ready to code. So this is OpenCode. This looks familiar, right? Same agentic workflow as Claude Code that reads files, writes code, runs commands, and many other things, but powered by MiniMax M2.7. So let's start. I will start with this simple prompt where I am asking it to create a Node.js Express API with users, authentication using JWT, include sign up, login, and a protected route. Save everything in an auth API folder. So let's submit that. Now on the right side, you will see the context amount that you have spent so far. And here on the left side, you see all of the progress. It is creating the files and everything. And I feel it is very fast. So it is creating the project structure, writing the routes, setting up JWT all automatically. File creation, code generation, the full agent loop running on a model that cost $0.30 per million tokens. So you see that it has created everything. It has built the application and then tried to test the application. At the end, it gave us a summary that task is completed. Now let's go back to our editor and here is the project that it has created, auth-API. You see all of the files are created and this was very fast. I am impressed with the speed of this model and you see all of the files, folders, everything is very neat and clean. Now let's give it a bug to find. So in this project, I will create a file buggy.py and paste the buggy code. I will go back to the OpenCode and here I will ask it, look at the buggy.py. It is supposed to merge two sorted arrays but returns incomplete results when arrays are different lengths. So find and fix the bug. So let's submit that. You see it found it, explained it and fixed it. It reads files, edit them in place. Full agentic coding at a fraction of cost of Claude. Now let's see if it can build something visual. So for that I have added a prompt. Create a modern landing page as an index.html using Tailwind CSS via CDN, dark theme hero section with gradient 3 features, feature cards, responsive and make it look professional. So it has started the work. Now let's go back to the editor and I'm gonna run this file in my browser, and this is the landing page that it has created. It looks perfect. So this is also fully responsive. Let me reduce the screen size, reduce the window size, and look at this. It is fully responsive as well. So a full landing page, dark theme, responsive, professional, built by model that cost pennies. So this is 90% of Claude Opus quality at 5% of the price. Let's talk numbers. MiniMax M2.7 cost 0.30 per million input tokens, where Claude Opus 4.6 charges $5. That's about 17x cheaper on input. On output, it's 1.20 versus $25, roughly 21x cheaper. Overall, you are looking at about 95% saving on API cost. In real-world coding test by Claude M2.7 delivered 90% of Opus quality, found the same bugs, fixed the same issues for about 7% of the cost. That's the trade-off. Nearly the same quality, a fraction of the price. And OpenCode, over 135,000 stars on GitHub. Open source, free forever. The only cost is the API. And at MiniMax prices, even heavy daily use runs about $5 to $15 a month versus $100 to $200 on Claude Code Max. OpenCode plus MiniMax M2.7, full agentic AI coding, 95% cheaper than Claude Code. Install links and the MiniMax API sign up are in the description. If you want to see me build a full project with this setup, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.